Hello students of class 10th. Welcome in SST class as I am your SST teacher. Today Geography chapter 4 Agricultures part 2. Okay. Today second part. First part I have explained. Agriculture's cropping season in India today. You know means in India three major cropping system. Whatever you know Rabi crops, it's cultivated and sown in October month, October to November, and its harvesting season is April. Okay, under to it main and major crops are wheat, tuber, and a lot of things as mustard, groundnut, these things we sown in this pea in this season, and rabi crop much more cultivated in UP, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, and much more high productive area of wheat is Punjab. Okay, next one second is kharif crops. Under to kharif crops it's sown in July month, and its harvesting season is October to November month. Okay, kharif season's major crops is paddy, jowar, and arahar, tuar, moong, urad, groundnut, soya bean. Means these crops sown in this season kharif crop and this month. Okay, means total year we have divided into three major cropping seasons, and these three cropping system running in India. And kharif crop is very beneficial in the plain of Ganga, West Bengal, Odisha, Assam, much more. In Odisha, Assam, and a lot of areas as having 3 times they grown paddy crops. Rice crops. Okay, and rice much more production of those areas also. Okay, next one third is jaid crops. Under to jaid crops much more vegetables and fruits will come, and we can say also it's means fruits and vegetables crops. It's sown in March month of means after harvesting of this rabi crop. Means whatever fields areas we have, we much more sown as vegetables and fruits. Okay, and its harvested area means timing is June month. Means in this month we grow cucumber, muskmelon, watermelon, pumpkin, bitter gourd, and a lot of means types of vegetables and fruits. Okay, so these are the main and major cropping season in India, whatever running, and its rainfall very important thing for these. Okay, major crops, whatever we are produced, major crops in India. First place of rice. Rice is a staple crop. It is major crop, and a lot of peoples depend on that. And rice much more produced and high production areas West Bengal, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, I have told, and it's having need of high temperature, humidity, and rainfall. Okay, because it have need much more irrigation facility. So it's grown in kharif season. Whatever that time raining season in India. So, and it's much more produced in those areas, and some places having thrice in a year it's sown there. And rice means having grown areas heavy rainfall it's needed, and means some places like Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, those areas if want to grow rice, then having need of much more irrigation. Okay, and it's also take 4 months, and it's much more, people depend on rice. Okay, next one is wheat crop. Okay, wheat is also a staple crop, and it is major, both is the major and base of our cropping system and crops. Okay, मीन्स इसका बहुत ज़्यादा उत्पादन किया जाता है, राइस का, उसके बाद व्हीट का. ओके, गेहूं जो है, गेहूं उत्पादन क्षेत्र बहुत ज़्यादा गंगा तटीय मैदान है, सतलुज और पंजाब, राजस्थान, इन सब जगहों पे बहुत ज़्यादा गेहूं उगाया जाता है. एंड व्हीट इज़ द will come under to rabi crop. It will come under to rabi crop, and it's also sowing season should be cold and shining. Means जब इसको बोया जाता है तो उस समय टेम्परेचर कम होना चाहिए, सन शाइनिंग होनी चाहिए, बट इन राइपिंग सीजन इट हैविंग नीड टू more temperature, and having irrigation places also beneficial for it, because it have also need of irrigation. Okay, and much more high productive area is Punjab, means wheat crop. Okay, next one is jawar crop. It having more potassium and phosphorus, and it's also be sown in during kharif crop, having need of much more irrigation. Next one is bajra. Bajra having also much more components of food materials, enjoy rich potassium, phosphorus, and having vitamins, folate, magnesium, copper. These things we got in bajra. It is also kharif crop. Okay, fodder crop. Next one is pulses. Pulses is very important for all, having much more protein and minerals. Means pulses have, and it's called as the meat of poor peoples. Means दलहन की जो क्रॉप्स हैं वो हमारे लिए बहुत ही मीन्स आवश्यक हैं. इट इज़ एसेंशियल फॉर ग्रोथ ऑफ द बॉडी, प्रोटीन फॉर द चिल्ड्रंस, इट्स मच मोर मीन्स beneficial. And pulses, for the pulses, India is the high productive and consumption area in the world. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन भी होता है, कंजम्पशन भी होता है इंडिया में पल्सेस का. एंड दीज पल्सेस मेन सीजन ऑफ मीन्स रबी क्रॉप, अंडर टू इट तुअर, अरहर, ग्राम, द मेन पल्सेस ग्रोन, and some pea, moong, urad, masoor. These are also major crops of pulses. Okay, food crops other than grains, means than the grains, another food crops also we are producing. Like first one is sugarcane. Sugarcane is also subtropical crop and having need of much more temperature in sowing time, and it's taken whole the year. मीन्स एक फील्ड में अगर आप इसकी बुआई करते हैं तो पूरा 1 साल लगता है शुगर केन में. एंड शुगर केन आल्सो प्रोड्यूस्ड एज द रॉ मटेरियल फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जैगरी एंड शुगर. ओके, खंडसारी आल्सो. एंड शुगर केन हैविंग नीड ऑफ मच मोर लेबर, मच मोर मैन पावर फॉर द cutting time and harvesting time and sowing time also. Next one is oil seeds. Under to oil seeds, much more it's also much more beneficial, and much more oil seeds we grow. Means with rabi crops, like the one major oil seed is mustard, soyabean, suryamukhੀ, sunflower, and means a lot of also oil seeds as custard and groundnut. Next one is tea. Tea is beverage crops. It's plantation. It is coming in plantation cropping, and teas came in India by the Britishers, and it was also that time as the commercial crop. Tea, and tea also we grow much more in Assam, Bengal, on those mountain and hilly areas where less temperature, having much more irrigation facilities. Coffee is also beverage crop, and coffee production means the best coffee variety in India in 2014, 3.2% of coffee being production in India in whole the world, and we got the best variety of coffee in India. Next one is horticulture. Under to horticulture, jayad crops will come. Under to jayad crops, vegetables, fruits, much more will come. And on that plantation cropping like banana, mango, grapes, these things also will come. A lot of fruits will come under to horticulture. Means फूड क्रॉप्स के अलावा ये सारे क्रॉप्स भी हैं जो हमारे लिए, हमारी सेहत के लिए, हमारे खाने के लिए उगाए जाते हैं. Some non-food crops also in India we are producing. Like first one is rubber. Rubber is aquatic crop. It's also produced in India much more, having use of irrigation, and its fourth rank of means India's fourth rank in India as the rubber production in 2012 and 13. Okay, next one the most fabric crop is cotton. Cotton, India is the home of cotton, believe, and it is the raw material of the textile industry. Cotton be produced in India much more in black soil, Deccan Plateau, having less rainfall and high temperature it's needed, and it takes 6 to 8 months for the maturing. And cotton, productive area is much more long ago in colonial period also, when Britishers have came, then they have used India as the raw material center of cotton and textile industry. Okay, next one is jute. Jute is known as golden fiber, and it's also produced much more in India, and its home is West Bengal. Okay, the bank of that river where jute much more produced there in West Bengal, and Odisha some part. And jute also used for the gunny bags, mats, and much more, a lot art and craft things. And jute is also fabric crop we are producing in India. Okay, technological and institutional reforms. After the crisis of 1980 to 1991, government have done a lot of reforms in agricultural also, technological. Under to its much more technology used in agriculture, a lot of techniques and fertilizers, irrigation facility they have provided for the more production. Okay, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उपज हो, इसके लिए सरकार ने ध्यान दिया, और एग्रीकल्चरल फाइनेंस की व्यवस्था की उन्होंने. जैसे किसानों को अगर मतलब उनकी सोइंग सीजन में अगर उनके पास कैपिटल नहीं है तो कोऑपरेटिव से, बैंक से कुछ वो पैसा ले सकते थे, जिसका इंटरेस्ट रेट बहुत लो था, और बाद में प्रोडक्शन के बाद सेल करके फिर वो उसको भर सकते थे. ओके, लैंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम अंडर टू LDP, गवर्नमेंट हैव डन मच मोर मीन्स एक्टिविटीज फॉर द रिफॉर्मिंग द लैंड रिफॉर्मेशन. जो ऐसी ज़मीन बंजर थी उसका सुधार किया गया, उसको कल्टिवेटिव एरिया को बढ़ाया गया, और बहुत से ज़्यादा मीन्स HYV सीड्स और हाई टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करके इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल करवा करके ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लैंड का डेवलपमेंट किया गया. नेक्स्ट वन इज KCC, किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड. किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड इज मोर बेनिफिशियल फॉर द फार्मर्स, means they can take loan from the bank, Gramin Bank, means during their sown season, and after the 6 months they can repay it, means very less interest. Okay, with very less interest, and in this way they can also survive easily and they can also sow the large piece of land without any hesitation. Okay. Impact of globalization on agriculture. You know what is globalization? Globalization means worldwide connection. Means हमारा पूरे विश्व के साथ कनेक्शन एंड इट्स इम्पैक्ट ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. इसका क्या प्रभाव पड़ा एग्रीकल्चर पे? You know students, India having means it is the house of farmers. So much more farming and agro based things produced in India, and a lot of industries depend on that. And in whole the world, India was in colonial period, from colonial period was the high export, well known for the high export of spices. Firstly means भारत का जो स्पाइसेस थे वो पूरे वर्ल्ड में बहुत फेमस था. साउथ इंडियन के लोग जो थे उसको सेल करते थे. सो means they also got idea of European countries. They also have came here for trading due to this impact of globalization, and they have given much more idea to Indians how to grow much more. Okay, and new technology how to use and implement in agriculture. After that, means due to globalization, India got the vast market for exporting cotton and another raw materials and indigo, and they also getting foreign currency due to medium of globalization. And European countries also were getting raw material for their industry. Okay. Green Revolution, Green Revolution also came that time. Due to high population, government have also done a lot of reformation under to technology, land reformation, banking facility they have provided for the farmers for the more production, and under to Green Revolution, paddy and wheat crop they have much more supported for the high production. And white revolution also came for the much more they have also care on animals and husbandry, means they as the flood of milk that time. So the sum up of this chapter agriculture, we can say that it is the main source of earning of India, and high consumption production both in the world, because due to high population. And in agriculture, government have done a lot of things, a lot of plans, 5-year plans, schemes they have launched for the farmers. And nowadays also means farmers are getting easy loan due to KCC, and Pradhan Mantri have means dear Pradhan Mantri Modi, who have launched for the farmers per year 6,000 rupees. Just recently farmers are getting for the sowing, means for the sowing their crops and for the farming. Okay.